Assalamualaikum guys, today we are going to show you another machine in our stock. This is a print and cut plotter system. Here you can cut any type of TPU vinyl, you can cut stickers, you can cut normal vinyls. So we are going to show you complete tutorial in this video how you can use this plotter. So just have to go to this website, get signmaster.software. After you are going to this website, you just have to click download. You just have to download this software and open like this. This already pre-made files here. So if you think you can make any new files with you, you can also import in this software and you can directly start cutting. I have prepared this file. I'm going to here. So I have this material. We can cut stickers like this. After cutting, I will show you video this also. We can cut normal TPU vinyls and we can also cut normal vinyl stickers like this. So first I'm going to cut this one. So as I have loaded the sticker here, I can turn on light here also, and you have to adjust according to your sticker PU or thickness of any material. You have to adjust speed and force here. So as I have done 230 speed and 90 force, so I will end this menu and I will adjust like this. You can move here. I'm getting origin 0 here, so I will start print here. It will starting from here. After you have to make your plotter online. After making online, you can go to your system and you can directly start here cut now. So it's started cutting now your sticker. Now I have cut this sticker. This is very easy method and this is precision cutter plotter. You can cut any thin matter also on this. No problem will come to you. So here you can see I'm going to also plot this one. I can plot this one also later, but this is a video for your referral. After this, you can put application tape and you can paste at any walls or any of your cars. You can also paste here. Any surface, you can paste these stickers. Now I have this PU material already loaded. This we have to cut in back side. As you can see, these are marks. You just have to set your plotter here. After this, if you are setting not here, your plotter is not going to work accurately. Here, after I make plotter online, and now I'm going to show you my before artwork, which I set here. My name Inosama. I'm going to convert it into mirror transformation, mirror horizontally. Now it's going mirror. After when you are going to paste on t-shirt or anything, it will come straight to you. Now I'm going to cutting for this one. So as you can see, I have already set my pressure and video here. After I can show you this one. Now my plotter is working. I cannot show you. Now my calligraphy is cutting here. Now I have finished this cutting. So now I'm going to peel off this one. You can see result also here. This is very good precision cutter plotter. So my preference is you must buy this one if you are going to buy any print and cut plotter or camera precision plotter. See, so I have finished my plotting. So now I can paste this one on any t-shirt. After pasting on t-shirt, I can just have to make this heat, and after this heat, this will completely be permanently fixed on the t-shirt. So now I'm going on part, which one is our most important work. I just recently have made some of these stickers. This sticker you can also cut. So first I am going in the software. I open new file. I already opening my file which I made for stickers. This file I made for stickers. I have opened this file already, and now I'm going to make this cutting file for this. You just have to go here, Apple, create cut control. Here you can trace in the software automatically. You no need to go in CorelDRAW or Illustrator. This is, you see how much is fast. I'm not keeping holes inside my design. This I'm going to apply here. You can just make how much you want layout for this. You can already make here. I'm just making little bit like 50% here layout. After I going to accept, and now I'm going to print this file. I just have to slightly make my background little bit more clear. So it's everything here now. Now I'm just going to counter cut wizard. Here you just have to go for your print. If you are going to direct printing from your printer, you just have to select this one, print direct. If you are going to print from another printer, you just have to go for print as PDF and save PDF. These all options are available to you. And if you have to mark position marks here, this one, so you just have to make according to your choice how much paper media you have. You can adjust this here. I'm going to make now 0. So as you can see, I have already adjusted my file here and I saved as PDF and I printed from my another printer, and I make my mark position here 00 because I have small paper right now. And now I'm going to save this PDF. After saving PDF, I'm going to cut this file. Here you can also select as reprint. If you have longer, little bit big media size, you can also make mark position specify here like 2, 3. These coming dots are exactly your camera points here. And after skip this one, you are going to cut this. I already have prepared this paper which I have already printed. Now it's showing like this how I have to paste in my plotter system like this. Here this showing mark here, apple is here, this apple is here. So now I have to go here. I have to adjust completely here aligned. After I can make rulers down and I have to set my this cutter here. After camera will sense from here. Now you can see this is exactly at the bottom of the round black. So now I'm setting this origin here, so printing will start from here. After I have to make my force because it depends upon my paper. This is little bit thin, not too much thick, so I'm decreasing my force on it. So for example, let's suppose I keep here 100 for my this sticker. $100 is here. Okay, now I'm going to my origin y0. Now I'm going to make plotter online. After you can see I'm going to start here next. After starting here, now this camera is sensing these mark points. After sensing, this will start cutting. As you can see in completely in video, I will show you result for this also. Now it's going to start its cutting, same as we have made marks here. As you can see now my cutting has finished here. So I have take out this media. Now in front of you, I'm going to remove this emoji. This my sticker is ready. Same I can paste here. I cut now in front of you. I have created these stickers. You can paste at any surface. I have created this my CPU vinyl printout, and I have created this my normal vinyl. So you can paste it any surface. If you want more any tutorial video, so here is one QR code is also mentioned on the plotter. You can just scan this and go to main website. You will know how to use this plotter. And if you have any more queries, you can just come to our warehouse, Al Nafis Advertising. We will teach you everything, and everything is available here in stock. So now
Learn more now. Welcome to our warehouse. For free training and guidance, Al Nafis Advertising. Agemen UAE.